Good, you're here. We can get started. Right, okay, gather in. I'm going to be talking to you today about some of the kit, the weapons, equipment, and uniform you'll be issued as part of your service with the British Army in Northwest Europe. Let's get started. The equipment you can see in front of you is what is contained in your small pack. This sits on your back and keeps you alive in the field. Inside is contained a food element. This consists of the 24-hour ration. This will be given to you during the assault phases of battle. You are given two. They contain meat, tea, sugar, oatmeal, or very high calorific content food. You will be given a small stove which burns solid fuel tablets to help you prepare any meals from this set. The emergency ration. This is only to be opened upon order of an officer. It contains very high calorific content chocolate. A luxury is your cigarette ration, 50 a week. You will also be given sterilising tablets for your drinking water. It contains 2 bottles, one sterilising and one to take the taste of the sterilising tablets away. The soldier's duty is to keep himself clean in the field. Your wash roll contains items to help you to do this, such as soap, shaving kit, a comb, your toothbrush, a shaving mirror, some spare bootlaces, and your knife, fork and spoon. You will also be issued some spare clothing to help you stay warm. This includes a woolen jumper, some woolen gloves, a woolen cap comforter, which also doubles as a scarf. These items are placed on a rubberized ground sheet cape, which will help you stay dry in any inclement weather. It is your duty to keep your feet protected. You will be given foot powder and spare socks to help you do this. Dubbing will help you to keep your boots clean and dry. It is also gas proof, which will protect you against any liquid gases. The gas cape will also help you with this. You will also be given a respirator. This will protect you from all known war gases and filter them out using the filter. It is your duty to keep it in good order. What defines you as a soldier is your uniform and how to correctly wear it. Let's take a look at that now. Designed by Montague Burton, the battle dress is based on pre-war ski wear. It gives all the freedom of movement required for a soldier to perform his duties in the field. The cap, general service, features unit insignia. The battle dress top includes a pocket for your service and pay book. The trousers feature map pocket and field dressing pocket. The location of the field dressing enables others to find it quickly in the event you are injured. The uniform is completed with black ammunition boots and webbing anklets. Now let's look at some of the equipment you will be issued. On the table we have battle order. This is everything you would take into battle with you. The small pack and respirator contents have been covered elsewhere, so I'll remove those. What we have is the 37 pattern webbing equipment. This is divided into roughly 2 sections: the fighting element and the survival element. We'll start with the fighting element. Your ammunition pouches carry 2 Bren magazines for your section weapon, and 1 Mills grenade and 2 ammunition bandoliers for your rifle. Your rifle also is fitted with a bayonet. The survival section. your water bottle and entrenching tool. The entrenching tool fits together like this and fits into a pouch like this. Your dubbin will fit in this pouch nicely using every available space. This is your soldier's battle order, worn with service rifle and steel helmet.